22 bones of Buddha are situated at National Museum, Janpath Road, New Delhi, India. If you want to visit this National Museum, get this National Museum through metro, which is very easy to reach by metro. Take metro from metro station and go to Udhog Bhavan metro station, exit from gate number 2, then walk over for 2-3 minutes. First building is Udhog Bhavan, second building is Nirman Bhavan, and the last building is Ministry of External Affairs, that is Janpath Road. In front of the Ministry of External Affairs, you will see inside gate of National Museum. After first security check, you will enter in a National Museum Institute or National Museum, Janpath Road, New Delhi, 110011. The left side and right side both are very important. The left side of this museum has a stone book created and developed by Emperor Asok and edicts of Asoka, 3rd century BC. You will see Asoka language or Asoka Lipi thereover, and right side are so many ancient sculptures are there. When you will enter in the main building, get 20 rupees ticket from the counter. Monday is closed, but on Buddha Purnima, if it is any holiday, museum will be open for relics of Buddha. After entering through main gate, you will see so many things, so many old and ancient Harappa times, Rakhigarh times, so many ancient sculptures and galleries are there. When you will pass 3 gallery, you will see a cascade, golden cascade, which contain 22 bones of Buddha, that is relics, dhatu, avsesh, haddi, asthi, or in Pali language it is called Athi. Athi, later on Asthi. So many Buddha. 1898. There was a state called Piparhava. Piparhava means Peopleva, like Mitwa. Peopleva means the man of people. It means the man of Bodhi, means Buddha itself. This state was under the control of W.C. Pepe. W.C. Pepe was an amateur archaeologist too. He was cleaning forest for farming land in his state Birdpur. Then he found a stupa near the forest. He excavated stupa and find a rectangle box. In the box, he find 4 cascades of soap stone, containing one of them containing some writings in Asok language, in Asok Lipi. It means this container contains the relics, the things of related to Buddha, and there were so many things like swastik chin indicating for four noble path, Triratna, pearls, stones, copper, silver, gold, so many offerings were there. The writings checked and found that it is original and related to Sakya people. Sakya people, sisters and brothers of Buddha. 5th May 2015, Minister of State also want to shift the relics of Buddha in stupa. So many people come over National Museum every day, especially on Buddha Purnima. Buddha Purnima is a very important festival for the people of India. Bhikkhu, monks, people, upasak, upasika, all are come to worship, to see, to look at, to meet the relics of Buddha, bones of Buddha at National Museum, New Delhi. You can come also between 9 to 10 a.m. on Buddha Purnima and see the bones of Buddha, relics of Buddha, धातु of Buddha, Buddha की हड्डियां, अट्ठी अस्थियां. It is pleasure to meet the philosophy of Buddha, the history of Buddha in National Museum again and again. So you are welcomed by National Museum on Buddha Purnima day, 9 to 10 a.m. and ticket is free. Thanks for watching.